Welcome to this More4apps video on product installation for end user computers. Most people will use the local install, which is what this video will show, but if you need a machine install, please refer to the install guide. There's three parts to the installation process. First, there's the Excel add-in that we're doing now. Then there's the BI reports that need to be installed on the cloud instance. And then the end users need the appropriate privileges. Before installing the software, you need to make sure you have the right to install software on the PC. You also need to make sure you've downloaded the software and Excel is not open. So let's get started. First, right click on the downloaded zip file. Choose Extract All and accept the default directory and just press the extract button. Now we've extracted the zip file, you'll see there's a module.exe file. Simply click on this and the installer will start. Check the More Info button to make sure it's More4apps and then press the Run Anyway button. Now press the Next button. Just accept the components there, you can't change them, and press Next again. And the download of the installer is starting. There are two parts to the installation. The first part is the add-in layer, and it will install the add-in before the module. So here we install the add-in, accept any terms and conditions you agree to, and just press the Next button. Use the default directory and install the product. Now once the add-in is finished, the module will install. Press the Next button. Again, the terms and conditions are there, and press Next again. I use the default directory again. Simply press Install and then the Finish button. You've now installed the add-in. However, when you do open Excel for the first time, you will receive a message like this. Simply press the Install button to continue. And that concludes the installation on the client PC.